Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, so don't do me in. Today's gonna be a quick video. I'm doing a Shein haul. Well, let's be specific. I'm doing a Shein Sleepwear haul, and this is for the grown and sexy. I don't know about y'all, but I've been wanting to just feel more elegant and more sexy when I'm sleeping. So I ordered some stuff from Shein. And don't say nothing about my lashes, because these were the only lashes I could find, y'all. I just ripped off my individuals because the lady did a bad job. But that's another time for that's another story for another time. But yeah, I got like 5 or 6 pieces. I haven't tried them on yet, so I'm just gonna show y'all in this portion, and then on the side I'm gonna have like a little slideshow. It's gonna be probably on this side because I'm gonna block the TV or whatever. But yeah, let's get into the video. We're gonna make it quick. I'm going, like, listen, these pieces is cute, okay? So ooh, I'm dropping stuff, y'all. Okay, so first, I want this lighter to get right. There we go. Okay, so first we're gonna start with this one. This is this 2 pieces or 1 piece? Okay, so this one is 1 piece. Some of them come with a thong and some don't. So I'll let you guys know which one come with a thong and which one don't. So this is the first one that I got. It's like this lace material around the, I wish it would, it's this lace material around the top. It got these cute little flowers on there. I think this is, I would say turquoise. Yeah, so I think this is like a nice turquoise color, and it's silk. So everybody says silk is good to sleep on, as far as like silk sheets and silk pillowcases. So yeah, majority of the stuff I believe is the same material. So this is the first one, and it's adjustable, so you could just adjust it to your, you know, your boob type or whatever, I guess. I got it in a small. Majorities is either in a small or extra small, and this one I believe is in a size small. I kind of, okay, yep, this is a small. So that is the first one, which is really cute. And sidebar, I got this shirt that I'm wearing from Shein as well, but that's going to be in a whole separate video. So the next one is going to be this nice black one. Black, I don't know my colors, y'all. The red one, and this red one actually comes with a thong. So this is a thong that it comes with. Regular. Oh, excuse me. And this is the star of the show. Ooh, she's so cute. And then it has this nice little like this little slit at the end right here. The only thing I don't like about this one is that it's not adjustable at the straps. So hopefully when I'm trying it on, it fits. But I love the color so far, and majority of these is color. I didn't want nothing gray, black, white. Yeah, I need to pop a color. Like, I'm trying to get into it. Alright, and everything is going to be linked in the description box if you guys see something that y'all want to buy or see something that you like. And if you already purchased something that you see, let me know, like, because I be looking on the reviews, and the reviews sometimes they don't be all that, okay? So we're gonna go into this next one. This is just a nice slip over moment right here. Cute. This is in a size small, and this one actually comes with an adjustable strap. And that's what I like about them. I need them to come with an adjustable strap because I like to, you know, make sure it fits to my liking. But this is how it looks right here. It has like kisses on it. Kisses. It has lips on it. Yo, done. I don't know what's going on with me today. But yeah, it has lips on it, and that's that. Okay, so the next one is going to be, ooh, I think this is my favorite one out of all of them. Hopefully it looks the same, or it looks how I think it's gonna look when I try it on. This one also comes with a thong. I think these are flowers. Hopefully it picks up. Yeah, there we go. So it has these nice little flowers on there. That's real cute. And this is how it looks. This is real see-through, and the back is like scrunched. I don't know if y'all can tell. Yeah, the back is a scrunch material, and I think that's really cute. And this one has the adjustable strap. So you already know, like I said, that's what I love. So boom. And I got some boobs, so you can see the difference. This is with the strap adjusted, and this is with it just how it came. Like, look how it's sitting up. But yeah, I think this is going to be my favorite one so far. I love how it look. I love the detail of the scrunch. I'm trying to tell you how to size. This is a size small, okay? And I'm like 120. I'm 5'3" and I weigh 120 pounds. So if that helps anybody. And this is actually the last thing for the sleepwear. Ooh, I might like this one better than the last one that I just said. So this is the last for the sleepwear. This is this nice blue, like baby blue material. Well, not material, this is a baby blue color. And then it has these flowers on there, like these black flowers. I think the black flowers are really, really cute. And the top is just straight mesh, so you know that's gonna be see-through. So I'm probably gonna have to cover my boobs when I'm trying it on. This is how the back looks. And it's pretty short, so you know, you just wear nothing underneath if you don't want to. Or wear some black thongs. Like, that's probably what I would wear. But yeah, oh yeah, it also has the adjustable strap. So I think out of all the pieces I got, only one didn't have the adjustable strap, which is fine because it didn't look that long. So hopefully it's not that long when I try it on. But yeah, this is the last one for the sleepwear section, or for this video. Yeah, I'm gonna make another video for the other stuff that I got from Shein, because I just wanted this video to specifically be about the sleepwear and, you know, just looking cute while you're going to bed. But yeah, I hope you guys like the pieces that I got. Let me know let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Like I said, I'm gonna leave all the links for all the pieces that I got in the description box. So yeah, I'm out of here. Bye.